Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and bulk update products in Odoo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you did not, just go ahead and open it up. From there we can log into your account. So if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, now we can get started with accessing Odoo. From here at the top of the screen, we have the configuration tab, site settings, and so on that are going to enable us to manage our website. So let's go and take a look at how to get started with mass updating products. As you can see right here on the official Odoo forum, somebody already asked the same question: how to go ahead and mass update. So what you can do to mass change and update your products, you export to Excel or CSV, and you're going to select the option to update data and Odoo add an external ID. This is going to enable you to update using the CSV file. So what you're going to do is go into your inventory. In the inventory tab, you're going to go to master data. So currently I do not have a store. So I cannot access my store section, but you're going to have your pages right here and settings. From there you can get started with accessing your store page and you can get started with adding any products. From there you're going to be able to import your CSV file that's going to enable you to automatically update all the products that you have on your website. So generally that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.